Hello guys, today I will compare in between Tana, Obsidian, and Notion. Which Notes app is superior in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Tana has emerged as a powerful tool for users who prioritize structured data and dynamic organization. Its unique approach to outlining and tagging allows for seamless linking between notes, making it ideal for complex project management and knowledge databases. Users appreciate its flexibility and the ability to create custom workflows tailored to individual needs. Obsidian continues to be a favorite among those who value privacy and local storage. Built on Markdown, it offers a robust plugin ecosystem that enables extensive customization. Its graph view provides a visual representation of note connections, aiding in the discovery of relationships between ideas. Obsidian is particularly suited for users who prefer a hands-on approach to organizing their knowledge base. Notion remains a versatile platform, excelling in collaborative environments. Its all-in-one workspace combines notes, databases, calendars, and task management, making it a go-to for teams and individuals seeking an integrated solution. Notion's intuitive interface and rich template gallery facilitate quick setup and adaptability across various use cases. In summary, Tana offers unparalleled structure for complex data. Obsidian provides a customizable and private environment for knowledge management, and Notion delivers a comprehensive suite for collaboration and organization. The best choice depends on your specific needs and workflow preferences.